Alright, today we're going to be talking about symmetry, and our objective is that we'll be able to solve problems involving symmetry. So what is symmetry? Symmetry just means that it's the same on both sides. A figure has line symmetry if it can be cut into two identical pieces by a line. So some examples. Here we could cut this triangle. Use my right tool. We could cut this triangle down the center and it would be the same on both sides. This one has one line of symmetry. This triangle here, because it looks like an equilateral triangle, we could cut it here, or here, or here, and each time it's the same on both sides of that line. So this would have three lines of symmetry. Here, because none of the sides are the same, it would have 0 lines of symmetry. A figure has point symmetry when the figure can be rotated less than 360 degrees, so less than all the way around, and land upon itself. So let's see. Let's look at this hexagon. I'm going to highlight this hexagon. And this is nice because I'm doing it on the computer, so I'll be able to do this. This would not work on your note sheet unless you used another piece of paper to trace it. So let's see. If I take this shape and I turn it 90 degrees, see how, or if I turn it 60 degrees, see how it lands upon itself? And if I turn it again, it lands again. So that ended up with my top over here. So yes, this has point symmetry. Let's try it again with the star. If I trace it, now my tracing's not perfect, so if I turn the star, if I was a good tracer, it would land upon itself. So yes, this has point symmetry. If you can rotate the figure upside down and it's exactly the same, you know it has point symmetry. So let's look at this T shape. So if I take the T shape and I rotate it upside down, it doesn't line up on itself. So this has no point symmetry. However, could I draw a line through it and have it line up? I definitely could. I could draw a line through the center, so it has line symmetry. And some things, like our hexagon, this has point symmetry, but I could also draw a line through the middle, and it would be the same on both sides, so it would have point and line symmetry. That's all for today. I'll see you.